hawks are ready to eat. I'm a little late, so they're probably a little impatient. Really cool little feeding apparatus here, see? Gotta scrape that. I scraped that off yesterday with a scraper. And it's ready to be done again today. Kind of hard to do this one-handed. Let's see if I can do this. There's a couple of smaller ones. These are the freshest ones in here. Disgusting, huh? So that's 5 each. Oops, that's 5 for one of the hawks. And we're going to, after I get done here, I have to wipe down my camera also. along with a good scrub on my hands. I was doing this with rubber gloves at first. That got kind of silly and impractical, because you get used to that pretty quick, believe it or not. Okay, it's 3, 4, 5. Okay, what a great way to feed them. You saw the other video. Matrix was having no part of me yesterday, so zip this up, go to the other side, and I think they're going to be on it really fast because I think they were waiting for me to show up. Yeah, see him he's on the center perch. That one is Griffin. Griffin was definitely waiting for breakfast. And he likes to eat on that platform over there. Okay. I'm going to go let the chickens out. And by then, whoop, oh, we didn't have to wait. He's getting right to work. Wow, Matrix is still in a really bad mood. She hasn't forgiven Lou for coming in there yesterday. Wow. She's still mad at me, no doubt. Griffin's having breakfast, though. I heard you, Matrix. Okay. Oh. See Matrix up in the corner screaming at me? Oh boy, that looks yummy. I hope you're getting a really good view of tearing a mouse apart. Gross. That's so gross. Okay, Matrix. We'll come back and maybe Matrix will be down having breakfast after I let the chickens get out. Go.